Hey everyone, so I've got a lot of questions about this set of chairs based on my latest video in YouTube, and today I would like to discuss with you about it and give you kind of an introduction to this set. So, in this set is 110 chairs as it's written. You can use them in Procreate and in Photoshop. They created in the highest quality in 450 dpi. So, once you buy the set, you can buy it through Patreon here. You will get the link here in the description, and also in the description to my latest video it's also there. So you can buy it either through Patreon, or if you would like to buy it personally from me, you can DM me in Instagram or somewhere else and we will manage it. So here you get it all as zip file. What does it mean? Once you're gonna buy it, you will get the access to the file. So you will get 2D set of chairs. First, what is going to be here is PNG image. PNG image, you can use it basically in every application, Photoshop, Adobe Design, and of all the applications of Adobe, first of all. Second, if you need to use it to post it to your stories somewhere to make it look better or somewhere else, you can upload it to any application on your phone, on your tablet, and also use it. Since it's in PNG, background is black. Here is visible that it's all outlined. Again, the quality is 450 dpi. So next is going to be introduction. Here in this introduction, I will explain you how to use it, what to do with it, and how to work basically with the set, how to transport it, and how it basically works. And the last thing is Sketch Procreate set. So once you tap on it, it's gonna import straight away to Procreate. Gonna open this artwork, this file. So first what you're gonna see is you go to layers, and here is outlined version. So this one, you can either switch it off, for example, if you need just the chairs without, or you want to add your own outlining, or you want to add your own shadows, your own design. That's totally all right. So you can just switch it off and use any of it. But also you can keep this one, because here is already outlined, added the shadows, added textures, everything is prepared for you to use. So now let's work how to use it. Basically, you can either we can either duplicate it here, this one. Now we select the latest layers, we drop them down and combine together. So we can rename it into combined. Perfect. So after, you can keep only this one, for example, and so you can select rectangle or freehand selection, doesn't really matter. Select it, 3 fingers down, you press copy, and we go all the way to our artwork. So we create a new layer, 3 fingers down, and paste. Perfect. So here is this chair. We modify it in the dimension so it looks more or less right here with this one, and we place it where we can place it. For example, another chair in the bedroom here, and it's done. So, or if you need more of them to use, what you can do, you can combined version. You just press it and you pull it all the way. You see it's going all the way with you. So we press gallery. We still have this file on, so we can put it in any artwork that you want. So we're gonna press on our artwork, we go to the layers, and now we just put it there. Voila, that's how we imported our set. So if you need to use more than one chair, if you want to see which one will suit better, we just upload it on top and we work with it. So for example, I'll take this chair This one, arrow, and we pull it all the way down, resize it, and we see with the colors, with the style, which one will be looking better in this or another area. So for example, here we press it, but actually pay attention here. If we work on the same layer, better don't keep it here, because you see it's it got stuck on another chair. So better, what we can do, just to do not spoil it, either we can select it and copy paste, and now it's on different layer and we work with it here. Either just cut. So for example, I return back to the layer, I select this chair, 3 fingers down, cut and paste, and now it's on different layer, but I don't have it here. That's how you can work with this set. So it's actually a perfect tool for designers, interior architects, and people like this who always use Procreate and don't really have time to draw or to find the materials, because the main tool what you can use here, you don't need to look for the colors that you need. So basically what you can do is, I will duplicate the layer, so I work on the second one. We can recolor it. So either we can select the chair rectangle, this one, and we go either to hue, saturation, brightness, color balance, or curves. So for example, if we work with curves, we can make it either green, blue, like bluish gray, or we can go with purple, green. Just experiment this way, make it blue, and in other things. But also what we can do is select, for example, I want creamy color, this one. We double tap, here we have an option recolor. So we press recolor, here is a small arrow, I just drop it to the chair, and here you can move it around the area just to see how it's gonna look and which one you can choose. So for example, I'm gonna zoom in. If your chair is dark, better to put it somewhere in a lighter place, just like this, so it looks more natural. Because if I will put it here, it looks a bit kind of fake, not much real. This one, you see, that's too bright. Also, here is the area that can be fluted. So either it's like this, but I usually keep it on 70%, and it's more than enough. So I will keep it somewhere here, or also here in the process we can change the color. Wow, looks amazing. Okay, I'll keep this one. So that's how you can work with this set. Also, if you have any questions, you can ask me, I will explain you more. And if you would like to purchase it, link in the description, or just DM me on Instagram and we'll discuss it.